Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Marella Vie. For our project today, we will be making ear savers or face mask extensions. If you want to know how this is made, just keep on watching. The materials that we need for this project is a 4x6 cloth, thread, needle, scissors, and 2 buttons. Let's start. Fold the cloth into half, the wrong side of the cloth outside. Stitch all the sides and leave an inch open for overturning. I know most of us are wearing a face mask as a protection for this pandemic of the COVID-19. This project will help release the stress on the ears that we get from the garter of the face mask. Here, all the sides have been stitched, leaving a small part for overturning. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and push the bell button so that you would be notified of my new uploads. Also, you can press like and you can comment and share this video. Some friends requested that I make ear savers, and I am making this video to share it with you so you too can make them for yourselves or give them to others. We will close the open part by stitching over it. Attach a button on this side and sew another on the other side. This is how our finished project will look like. Hope you learned something new from this video. Stay safe and healthy, everyone. Thank you for watching and see you on my next videos. Bye-bye.